Hi, I'm Big D, bigdsq. Today I'm going to show you a real simple way to cook a whole chicken, smoke it, where everybody enjoy it. What we got here is about a 4-pound fryer. We're going to spatchcock it. Turn him over and take his backbone out. Get your pair of meat shears, scissors. Popping that bone down through there. On one side of his backbone and start on the other, and you have to go all the way out to the neck. And my shears ain't doing too good, so I'm going to have to take and score his skin from my shears to father. Here we go. They'll pop that bone if they wasn't doing nothing with that skin. I don't know nobody that eats the backbone nohow. We're going to take that out, and that way we can spatchcock it, butterfly it, whatever you want to call it. Take it over the side, turn him over, pull out the excess fat. If you left any giblets in there, take that out. Now, that's what it looks like when we got the backbone out. I'm going to lay him over on his back down and pressed up, and take the heel of your hand and pop it. Hear that bone pop? Now the whole reason for spatchcocking a chicken is now the breast is the same thickness as the leg quarters. It'll all cook even. It'll all be done at the same time. And today we're going to use 2 different rubs on it. We're going to use our traditional Old Faithful Game On, which is really good on poultry, any kind. Put a pretty heavy layer on this bone side back here. And what I like to do, if I got time, is let that chicken sit like that right there for about 30 minutes. Let all that sweat in good. We're gonna pat it in where they hear it good. As you can see, the breast and the leg quarters are all the same thickness. It's going to all cook even. Alright, that's it. We're going to put a little more on it. So, oh, that's too much. Nope. You can't get too much of a good thing. Everybody knows you turn that side down to the fire, most of it's going to come off anyhow. That's going to soak into it. Now, some people take and lift the skin up, rub all down on the inside, go down in it. We're not going to do that. We're going to get the flavor we want from the bone side using that. Game On. Then we're going to use our new rub, which is marketed mainly for steaks, but it says right on the bottle it's good on everything, and it is. We're going to put it down inside them wings. It's got all the savory in it. It's got the hickory smoke. Got the citrus, got the peppers, got everything you need to make a good chicken, long like it does a steak. I love the skin on chicken. I know we're not supposed to eat the skin, they say, but to me, I love it. Get it good crispy up. I want some flavor to it when I get it. So that's why I'm going with the steak out. Savory on this side and the other side with the Game On. So this is going to set a few minutes sweating in, then we're going to go to the grill. And today we're going to be cooking on something a little different. We're going to cook on an old stick burner, kind of the old school, going back to a little 36-inch Lang stick burner. I'm going to show you a close-up of that chicken, that rub all sweated in. That steak out does a good job on that chicken, coloring and flavoring it up too. We're going to our little Lang off-side smoker. That old sear plate. We're going to run it about 250, 275. Smoking with post stove today. So we're at the old school with a stick burner, but I do love a good seared chicken off the Lang. Okay, we're back to show you the end product of the Spatchcock Chicken off the Lang. As I told you earlier, the reason we spatchcock it so it will cook even. You can look at this chicken and tell the breast and the leg quarters are all flat the same thickness. And it finished beautifully, right around 180 degrees. We pulled it, and the breast was a little bit less than that. As you can see, we've got a glaze on this. We used our dry rubs on to start with, and on the end we glazed it with Big D's glaze and Lottie's pepper jelly, pineapple pepper jelly, mixed together. Put this beautiful glaze on it. And this chicken smoked right at 2 hours on the lane, and we tuned the old stick burner back in today, and we're going to cook on it again tomorrow, so y'all hang with us.